It's always good to party, but that's lame. Battery dead? Well, what if we tell you there is a mini wearable camera that sustains 5 hours FHD recording, 24 hours time-lapse recording, and standby for over 120 hours. Let's meet Caply, the revolutionary mini wearable camera. Keeps up with all your active lifestyles. Caply is on the go for every part of your life. It's easy to attach it to any surface and object. To make sure your hot blood and sweat will be remembered and your exciting moments are captured. When you are right at the peak moment and the camera is far from your reach, well, all you need is voice command.
Caply, take a photo!
If you had one shot to seize everything you wanted in just one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? And Caply is right for you. Just swipe it and you're all set. Missing out? Unaccepted. When it's done, simply preview, edit, and share it to your social networks with Caply's app. Continuously surprise your friends with spectacles of your life's journey. And joys appear in your front. With Caply, you will no longer break a sweat, or, break a phone. And Caply is always ready to capture every one of your extraordinary moments. If you are a life logger that won't settle for anything but the best, Caply is always an ideal solution. Caply, go further, get funner!
This will be a night to remember, not one in his fading memory, but preserved in his me cam. In this day of smartphones and GoPro adventures, me cam is the next step in life documenting video. The camera sees what you see, documenting your most important events and memories you want to last your lifetime. Put it on before your big event or record your kids at the park. We've invested our 4 years experience and user feedback into creating the most lightweight wearable camera ever. It's durable and waterproof, so it fits any lifestyle or situation. Even if you just want a great webcam, you can attach it in 4 different ways. Clip-on, magnet, suction, sticky note. For virtually anywhere else, the companion app has all the typical ease-of-use camera modes and helps you organize and enhance your videos and pictures with one-touch sharing, so your friends can see the amazing things you can see.
The Sony FDR-X3000R Action Cam is all you need to capture sensational video footage with the kind of stability that's never been seen before, and all in glorious 4K detail. This is the first action cam to feature Sony's own balanced optical steady shot technology, allowing you to capture incredibly stable footage even when shooting in 4K quality. With more effectiveness against high-amplitude camera shake from activities such as running or riding on a bike, you can capture virtually vibration-free footage in any situation. Plus, with a smaller body than previous 4K action cam models, you'll hardly even notice it's there. The quality of your footage is improved yet further thanks to the new Exmor-R image sensor, which has been designed and developed specifically with 4K video in mind. With the same pixel size as the award-winning AX53 Handycam camcorder, you can be confident of maximum image quality in all light conditions. There's also a new Zeiss Tessar lens, which not only complements the image sensor, but has approximately half the peripheral distortion for a more natural image. The brand new Live View remote is around 30% smaller than its predecessor and therefore much more flexible to use when you're using the action cam while out and about. Because the screen isn't built into the back of the camera itself, it's easy to check the framing of what you're shooting, no matter how the camera is mounted. Whether you're out on your bike, skateboarding in the park, or simply roaming the city, the new Live View remote is guaranteed to make it easier to get the results you're after. You even get a watch attachment and tripod adapter included, so you're ready to use the Live View remote straight out of the box. With all of this and more, the X3000R Action Cam has all of the tools you need for incredible on-the-move footage, no matter the scenario.